Hey, have you heard of project methodology? What's your favorite example?
Oh, I love the Agile methodology. It's all about flexibility and collaboration, and it's great for managing complex projects with changing requirements.
Interesting. I prefer the waterfall model. It's a more structured approach that breaks down projects into sequential phases, and it's great for projects with well-defined requirements.
Ha! That's so old school. Agile is the way to go. Plus, it's more fun.
Well, I think it's important to choose the right methodology for each project. And no matter what methodology you choose, it's important to write a solid project methodology that outlines your approach and sets expectations.
Absolutely. A good project methodology provides clarity and direction, and it helps you stay on track. And don't forget to involve your team in the process to ensure buy-in and collaboration.
Yes, involving stakeholders and team members is crucial. And a well-written project methodology should also include risk management strategies and a plan for monitoring and controlling project progress.
Definitely. And it's not just about following a methodology, it's about adapting and improving it as you go. Continuous improvement is key to successful project management.
I completely agree. There's no one-size-fits-all methodology, and it's important to be flexible and open to change. Thanks for the fun debate.
Anytime. Let's keep exploring and experimenting with different project methodologies to find what works best for us and our teams.